generalize it. All right, to generalize this, let's have maybe in the brackets, let's say you've got x, let's say to the power of 7, and then plus, let's say maybe plus 3. And we raise it to a 5th. I mean, 5/7. Because it will correspond with that most of the time, cube root and that one. It will be a multiple of that. So what I did, if we're to convert that, I'm giving you the 7th root of x to the 7 plus 3 all to the 5. It's that, isn't it right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what it is. So pull out, we wanted to pull out that x to the 7. But it looks better here because the exponent is 5/7. Because you pull it under here, you're going to have to use that 5 as well. So it's better when it's like that in a fraction. You can see much quicker what you need to use there. So from this one, then I know in the bracket you are going to do this. You are going to say, I've got x to the 7. I'm not removing it. Then you have 1 plus 3 over x to the 7. Close the bracket, close everything. It's 5/7. This is what I didn't show you, but I understood you know that. So that must come here to the power of that. It must come to the power of that one. You do know, you understand that. Am I right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's this one. It's this stuff here. This one you learned. You learned it as a to the 2 times b.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Close bracket to the power, let's say 8. You already know the 8 must multiply the 4. It must multiply that.
Yeah.
We've been doing all of that all the time. But I skipped that step. I just went to the orange step. Then I wrote it as x to the 7, close bracket, 5/7. Then the other bracket, open the bracket, 1 plus 3 over x to the 7, close to 5/7. Then this is now it's outside. Now the 7 can get rid of that one. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter whether it's 7th root, 1 root, 2 root, 3 root. You can do it with any. So what I'm saying, something in the brackets to the power of a fraction, no matter how nasty, how crazy that fraction, you now can do any one of them. Because I moved from square roots, x to the half, and x to a third. Now I'm showing you to 1/7, 7th root. So you can do any root now. Is it clear? I hope now it's clear, much clearer.
Yes.
All right, perfect. So this one is done.